Every rescued being at Vantara carries a past they never chose. Here, compassion reshapes their future, offering care, healing, and the freedom to recover. Expansive spaces, personalized nutrition, and interactive tools are thoughtfully designed to meet each unique need. It's a place where survival turns into well-being, and where each life is given the chance to simply be. Watch them in their element, roaming freely, thriving naturally, living the way they were always meant to. This is Vantara, where healing begins and dignity is restored.